Your bank account may look almost the same in 2026, but behind the screen, banking is changing fast. Banks are using artificial intelligence to detect fraud, analyze transactions, personalize financial tools, and make digital banking faster. And by 2027, some of these features could become normal parts of everyday banking. That means your bank may know more about your financial behavior, respond faster to suspicious activity, and even help you make certain money decisions. One of the biggest changes you'll notice is fraud protection. Banks are using AI to look for unusual patterns in your transactions. For example, if your card suddenly makes a purchase in another country while you're at home, an AI system can recognize that something looks different and flag it much faster. By 2027, these systems could become even more advanced, helping banks identify suspicious activity in real time. AI isn't only being used to stop criminals. Banks are also using it to understand customer behavior. By analyzing spending patterns, income, and account activity, AI systems can identify what financial services might be useful to you. That could mean smarter alerts, personalized budgeting tools, or suggestions based on your financial habits. By 2027, your banking app may feel less like a simple account dashboard and more like a personal financial assistant. Imagine opening your banking app and getting more than just a balance. Instead, it could tell you that your bills are coming up, your spending is increasing, or you have extra cash sitting unused. AI could help turn your banking data into simple, useful information. But there is an important trade-off. The more personalized your banking becomes, the more financial data the bank needs to analyze. But smarter banking comes with a trade-off. For AI to personalize your financial experience, it may need to analyze more information about your transactions and financial behavior. That can make alerts and recommendations more useful, but it also makes privacy more important. By 2027, understanding what data your bank collects, how it is used, and how you can control it could become just as important as comparing interest rates and fees. As banks become smarter, there's one thing you should remember. An AI recommendation is still a recommendation, not a command. An algorithm might suggest moving money, changing an account, or using a new financial product. But you should understand why that recommendation is being made. Check the interest rate, fees, access rules, and whether the product actually fits your goals. AI can help you find opportunities and organize your finances, but the final decision should remain yours. The biggest advantage in this new banking world may not be having the smartest AI. It may be knowing how to use it. Let AI help you spot unusual spending, organize your savings, and understand your options. But always check the details before making a financial decision. Look at the APY, fees, access, and terms. Technology can make managing money easier, but financial awareness is still your strongest tool. As we move toward 2027, one simple habit could make a bigger difference than chasing every new financial trend. Review your bank account regularly. Check what you're earning, what you're paying in fees, where your money is going, and whether your current account still fits your goals. AI may make this process faster and easier, but you still need to stay involved. Your bank can provide the tools, but you are the person making the decisions. The future of banking is not simply about having more technology. It is about using that technology wisely. AI can help detect fraud, organize your finances, and make banking more personalized. But you still need to understand the products you use, protect your financial data, and make your own decisions. As we move toward 2027, the smartest financial move may be surprisingly simple. Stay informed, compare your options, and make sure your money is working as hard as it reasonably can.